certified 10 years in a row.
Hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Plenty of sunshine out there. That includes in Millard County. That live look from Oak City shows clear skies. Temperatures in the mid-40s right now in Oak City. That high pressure brings that above average warmth and clear conditions to most of the state. Inversion to others. Hazy and dry skies persist. We're going to talk about the air quality decline that we're expecting because of this dry pattern and when to expect a little relief. That high pressure is here. It's in control and it keeps any bit of moisture to the north of us. You can see cloud cover in the north, but that ridge setting up in the western United States and really impacting us right here in the Beehive State. A dry pattern has taken hold. The last time we saw measurable precipitation was with that lake effect band February 2nd. The last time we saw over 0.1 January 5th. How about half an inch? That was back on December 9th, a very dry pattern to start the year, and that continues now as we've made it into February. Want to see those changes, but unfortunately that high pressure, the only thing that's changing is our air quality. Haze is noticeable, but at this hour, even though we can see it, we are registering green, clean air for northern Utah valleys. That is going to change. With this high pressure, inversion conditions will try to trap cooler air on the valley floor, and we anticipate moderate air quality for tomorrow along the Wasatch Front, northwestern corner of the state, and cleaner air in eastern Utah. Temperatures right now are above average. 42 is the average daytime high in Salt Lake. We're sitting at 45, falling into the 30s as we head into tonight with clear conditions. That dry pattern holds on tonight, and you're going to see that high really get settled in for tomorrow. The haze going to continue to build. Our northern valleys looking at that decline in air quality, and as we head into Wednesday, we get a weak disturbance. The model shows an increase in cloud cover, maybe some mountain activity in south central Utah, but all in all, just some clouds, but hopefully that will take off of the edge of the inversion that has set up, so that will hopefully help us out. But not a lot of moisture, and there's not a lot in the long range. That ridge really dominating the desert southwest as we head into the middle of this week. There's that low pressure system. It really stays to the east of us, but maybe we get a little mixing from that, and that will help us out. Then the high comes back and sets up shop, and unfortunately that means very dry conditions for the next 7 days, which we don't love here in the Beehive State in the middle of winter. This is when we're supposed to be collecting all of that storm moisture. 30s and 40s for tomorrow, 40s and 50s on the eastern side of the state. We're going to run above average with that sunshine and that warmth. Upper 40s and low 50s down the I-15 corridor, 60s in St. George, low 60s. Typically this time of year, St. George is in the upper 50s. They're going to run above average this week. Some breezy conditions by Thursday, plenty of sunshine and pretty dry. Here's the Wasatch Front, dry also. The case here, the haze will build, and that will allow for a prolonged period of inversion this week. Daytime highs will try to warm. We'll see how that haze interacts with our daytime highs. But as you can see, very dry conditions, overnight lows, seasonal in the 20s. To stay on top of any possible weather changes, download the ABC4 Weather app. It's really easy to do. You just take a picture of this QR code, which you see on your screen. It